And look at that. Wendy's in Blackpool, all ready to open, guys. We're putting the final touches on the sign a couple of days ago, and the official opening is well, hello guys, and welcome to another video. So, just walking up the slope, we're back at Bonny Street. We're gonna get on the bridge. There is some things happening, and by the looks of it, there's a new digger. So we've now got 3. But yeah, I shall show you that in a minute when we get there. But yeah, it might be a good day today. We shall see. So yeah, 3 diggers here now. So I think that's the one that was here originally, is it? No, I don't think it is actually. Oh wait, actually I don't know. Yeah, I think that one's the one that was here originally. Obviously the turquoise one was here. But yeah, we've now got this new one as well, so it'll be interesting to see what happens today. That one's not moving. Turquoise one was. I'm not sure what he's doing, and then you've got this new one over here. So yeah, let's see what happens. Just moved around slightly just to see if I can see what he's doing, but I can't at the moment. Doing something under there though. I mean, what we want to happen really is the top bit to come down on the right there. But he's crunching away at the bottom at the moment, so yeah. Right, there we go, we're just crunching away at the top now. Oh, hello. Hello. Right, they have just ground to a halt now. They've been having problems with a new digger they've brought. I believe that got here yesterday. Someone was saying before, but yeah, they're having problems with it. Everything's ground to a halt. They are on a break, I think, now anyway. So I'll just spin the camera around. So yeah, that's the current state of things. So that digger over there, they were having problems with. I don't know anymore. Turquoise one's working, but there's no one in it. That one they were having problems with when they stopped before, and that turned up as well. So yeah, looks like they're on a break. We'll hang around, see what happens, and we'll go from there. Well, not doing much at Bonny Street, I thought. So we're outside Madam Tussauds Waxworks. Still not put any more signs up. But yeah, doing a bit of work on Happy Days as well. But yeah, there's Spider-Man sitting on top. But yeah, there's nothing much going on there yet. There is one more thing I want to show you, so I will pick up again when I get there. Big news. Right guys, we are at the next place I want you to see. There is traffic, so it is going to get in the way, but I will turn the camera around in a minute. And look at that. Wendy's in Blackpool, all ready to open, guys. We're putting the final touches on the sign a couple of days ago, and the official opening is the 10th, which is tomorrow at the time of filming. So yeah, I believe they're opening at 8 AM, so I will be here in the morning ready for the opening. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys, it's looking good, looking really good. And once the hype's died down a bit, I will go and do a food review as well. So yeah, there's the sign up top. But yeah, Wendy's in Blackpool from tomorrow. So I'm just on my way back to the demolition site now. The bridge is still there, as you can see. I don't know what the plan is with that now, because they did have a few issues with electric cables, but yeah, we'll see. I'll pick up when we get back round. Right, so there is movement again. Turquoise digger is moving about, doing something. Not the one we want to be moving, but there is definitely something wrong with that one. As you can see, we think it's the hydraulic pipe, but we're not 100% sure. Either way, they can't do anything with it at the moment until he's fixed it, so just playing the waiting game again, unfortunately. So yeah, we have got some sort of pipes now out of the van. I'm still guessing it's the hydraulic pipes, but so yeah, hopefully they do get it fixed soon. If not, there's not going to be any more demolition anyway, so give them maybe half an hour, and if they've not sorted it, I might go and ask, see what they say. But yeah, let's see what he does. Right, so they haven't managed to fix the latest digger that's turned up yet. That's still there. Just been speaking to Pat, the site manager. He said it is the hydraulics. He also said that's one of the most common things to go on these sort of machines. They have brought the other one that was over there. That is now there. And he's just moving rubble about at the moment. But yeah. Not a major amount happening at Bonny Street now. I am going to call it a day today. Just come around to see if anything's changed around here. It hasn't. It's just a flat surface now, pretty much. They are doing something over there. I think they're just patching the back up, but yeah, nothing much. Yes, guys, I am going to end it there. If you have liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, or if you're not subscribed already. I've been Sango Explorer, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.